Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making garlic butter pork chops. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees. You will need 1.5 pounds of pork chops, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. For this recipe, I'm using thinly cut pork chops, so cook time may vary depending on the size of your pork chops. Always cook pork until it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees. To make the garlic butter, add the garlic to your softened butter and mix well. To a small bowl, combine the paprika and garlic powder. Add the black pepper, thyme, and salt, then mix until well combined. Make sure you have thoroughly washed and dried your chops, then season generously on both sides. Add the olive oil to your cast iron skillet, then using medium heat, bring your skillet to temperature. Now fry your chops for 4 minutes on both sides. Top with the garlic butter, then transfer to the preheated oven. Cook for an additional 8 minutes, then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.